We've got parents though, Bonnie, that they're really concerned about the social aspect of school when it's distance learning. Any words for them about that before we have to go? You got about a minute and a half.
Well, first of all, our law firm is now advising every one of our clients that they should give a 10 business day notice to the district and leave open for themselves the option that they may have to pay for private services and they can sue the district for reimbursement on a comp-ed theory. As far as the social aspects of this, I feel like what's happening is that slowly, kind of not the educational sector so much, but like the private sector, people are figuring out ways for their kids to have some degree of social engagement. And it's, mostly, I think for the next 6 months, going to look like, is it possible for you to approach a couple other families and set up some, safe, socially distant, backyard social opportunities if that's a possibility for you? And if not, maybe somebody else does have a backyard, or maybe you can meet in a park or something. But I honestly think for the next 6 months, in a lot of ways, we're going to be on our own. And
Yeah.
I don't think the district is going to be holding social skills classes virtually. And I don't think that that's really what you're looking for. So I haven't heard of anybody doing anything specific about social skills, but my thought also is there are people that do social skills training. And so maybe, if you can reach out to some of those people, they may be doing stuff privately. And the reason you give the 10 business days notice is so that you can sue the district for reimbursement if you're having to augment because they're not offering stuff that's really essential and your child is losing ground.
Two things before we go, and I'm supposed to be in a meeting right now. Three things, because I want to thank Bonnie. Bonnie, if you give the 10-day notice and you
10
still decide,
business days.
So you give the 10. So
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, but no Saturday, Sunday, or holiday.
So you give the 10 business days notice, but you still on the night before decide to go to school, they still have to take you, right?
Yeah, the 10 business days notice doesn't cost you anything. It doesn't limit you in any way. It just means that if you do that and you end up staying with it, like you can't do 3 months of speech therapy and then go, great, and now I'm going to tell the district I want them to pay for this. You have to give them the opportunity first to consider your request.
Okay, but if I give 10 business days, yeah, and then we go back to school and we get 3 weeks in and we see it's not robust enough, do I have to give another 10 days business notice? Or is that first?
No, okay. You just have to be in the first notice. You have to tell them you're going to purchase educational services because the district isn't offering FAPE. The more specific you can be specific. But if you don't know if it's going to be school and speech and social skills, put them all in. Okay. Put in your wish list, and then you can always back off from some of that later.
Okay. And I do want to tell everybody that I think starting at age 4, the PEERS, PEERS program at UCLA is doing distance PEERS program with ages 4 and up. And it's award-winning, fabulous, social. The parents do it on a different track than the kids, but at the same time. So you're learning what they're learning. It's the best. Reach out to them and get your child signed up to it. That's social skills, truly awesome. PEERS. What's that?
Great suggestion.
There we go. Okay, we are done for today. But Bonnie, thank you so much for all your help and support today. We want to remind everybody the Tollner Law offices, reach out to them and or to Bonnie, especially if you're in the California area, reach out and get a private consultation with Bonnie. And if you are not in the California area and are looking for an attorney, Bonnie, who do they go to?
COPAA.net. They have an attorney directory. Most of those people have been doing special education for quite a while and they know what they're doing.
And nobody gets a kickback for any of that. We're just recommending good services.
Yeah, no, I pay my COPA membership like everybody else. They're a great organization.
Well, and I also want to say that Tollner Law Offices doesn't pay us anything. We're just thrilled to have Bonnie here.
Well, thank you. And please disseminate the reading information and people, please reach out.
There we go. Okay, and send your questions.
Yeah. Well, but today they need the comments by 1 o'clock.
Oh, okay. For that.
Okay. Send that stuff out if you can.
All right. Thank you, Bonnie. Thank you so much for being here.
Hey, thanks for watching Autism Live. To subscribe, click here. And if you'd like to check out some more of our videos, click here.